Today, we are talking about a planner meant for everyday life. This is the 2027 Daily Planner. It has no weekly spreads, just one full page for every day, day after day. New for 2027, the Daily Planner now starts with our goal breakdown spread, which we added based directly on your feedback. You can use it to track things like reading goals, habits, projects, or milestones throughout the year. From there, you'll find a yearly tracker, quarterly spreads, monthly spreads, and then the full page for every single day. I use the timeline on the left to color code and track exactly how my day went. Every page in this planner is numbered with 480 pages of 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. At the back of the book, you'll also find 37 blank grid pages for additional notes, lists, and anything else you'd like to add. These are wrapped in our PU leather material covers in our chic colors, pebbly onyx, textured tweed, and smooth fairy floss, with the option of beautiful gold gilded or white clean edges. It is the ultimate cozy companion for your bedside table or purse. We will pop up the color chart for the 2027 Daily Planners on screen now to help you lock in your decision. Also, check out our 2027 Planner preview page in the description to browse detailed close-ups and build your wish list before launch morning on Monday, September 7th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Happy planning!